Hi guys, let's go ahead and see how we can find out whether a string contains a special word or not. For example, in this string, I want to find out whether the word she is containing or not. For that, we can create a if statement. Inside that, we can say this constant name and use dot includes. In the parentheses, we have to provide the word we need or just a character. Now, let's say console.log. We can say contains. In the else statement, we can show a message not containing, not contains. Okay. Now we can run that using the terminal. We can say not and the JavaScript file name index.js. Now it shows contains. That means this string contains she. Let me remove the letter H and E and try again. And we got contains. That means we can check whether any string or character contains in a string using this includes. Okay. Now I am going to provide something else like her and check again. Now it shows not contains. Okay. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.